So Charlie's on his way down, and we're going to have a second go at getting this body high enough to roll the chassis and engine out from underneath, because before we just couldn't get it up high enough. Didn't have enough straps and what have you to get it short enough, you know, using a couple slings, and could have done with a bit more height really, but the gantry's as high as it goes and what have you. So we're going to try the gantry on the back, tractor on the front, give that a go. We've got some lorry straps as well to put around it, and if we can get this chassis out then it's all good. He's going to come up here in the week and needle gun it, clean it back, paint it, whatever. So we'll do that now. I've got 8x4 pallet on my roof from work, and we're going to lay that across the trailer sideways and put his cab on my flatbed trailer. Yeah, swing that out the way somewhere, and then he can get to work on the chassis. We can swap the engine and boxes, and yeah, just be a case of like wheel one in, wheel one out, again and again, and basically just play swapsies. So here she lies after Sunday. Oh look, big fat bird crap on it. We got pretty far, like we done alright, but we just couldn't get it high enough to get, you know, the body over the rocker cover. So we're gonna have another go today, hopefully. Nice big pallet. Oh, roof rack comes in handy, doesn't it? So we'll get this off and move my trailer out the way as well, because that's over there. Safety rating. Oh, I got black pants. Progress.
anybody got a truck lifted this high?
So, yeah, we've gone for the 4-inch body lift, the timber lift. Charlie's going to have a quick look under here. Maybe, what do you reckon, spray some wax all underneath it?
Yeah.
But, yeah, she come off fairly decent. So we've just chopped her up on my trailer. Now we're going to wheel the trailer out of the way. Day 4, I think. Yeah, day 4. At the junkyard. Down the field. So, look, body's on trailer. Body's on trailer. Chassis off the body. So, yeah, we're just going to whip this prop shaft off. On this prop shaft. And then we're going to lift the engine and box out. It's crazy to think that this is now Charlie's chassis. So, we're keeping this. We're changing his engine and gearbox. Keeping the rear axle. And, check that out. So, we need to take them. He's going to get a price on the body mounts from Mazda, just because rebuild. Going to get rid of them. He's going to put new leaf, shackles, obviously my shackles, U-bolts, dust all this, and do 3-inch exhaust. We're thinking of building it whilst the chassis and everything's like got the body off it, because obviously it's dead easy. Just going to put a short shifter on there.
Extreme short shifter.
Extreme short shifter. Are you running an extreme short shifter?
No.
Oh, you want another one?
I need someone to make me an extreme short shifter. I don't. You know anyone?
Maybe.
Who's that guy that makes the bumpers?
Yeah.
Should I get an oil catch can thing so I don't have to have the breather going into the
Yeah, you can do.
airbox?
Can do.
Yeah.
Charlie's just writing a little shopping list for his new truck.
2 pages long so far.
New old truck. Is it the new truck or is it the old truck? Because technically it's your old truck, but it's a new one, but it's old.
It's a new truck, isn't it? It's a new.
It's a new truck.
It's version 2.
HILLBILLY Deluxe version 2.
Yeah. Apart from it's not going to be his hillbilly, which is a bit of a shame.
It
I'm
will
going to have
be.
to put myself a Confederate flag on it. Shall we spray one on the bonnet? We'll spray a Confederate flag on the bonnet. Or on the roof, actually, because you get too many sissies around here.
SJWs. Too many SJWs. So,
too many fucking snowflakes.
it's going to be a new truck, lads.
I want to get a new slave cylinder because my one's rusted the fuck.
New slave cylinder. Chassis. Truck. Truck. Chassis. Tractor. Truck. Truck. Ooh, a bed. And a tray.
It's now 3 pages long.
Right. The proper way to remove an engine, or to get an engine off a chassis and whatever, like when you change them, you undo the power steering pump, which is 1 nut and 1 bolt, from the front of the vac pump side, and you can keep all the power steering sealed, and it saves you trying to get down there with your arm and undo these banjos and whatever and keep them clean. It's dead easy. Yeah, but you want spring clip, not fucking Jubilee.
Why?
Because Jubilees are shit.
Oh, okay. I do apologise.
Yeah, gearbox is off. Engine's there, obviously, you know what an engine is, don't you? So we just got to get rid of the exhaust, get rid of the prop, and the chassis is going to be nearly bare, guys. It's all looking quite nice. I think Charlie's going to sell the engine, so if any of you guys want an engine, hit up Charlie Lindsay.
If any of you guys want a tow bar?
Are you getting rid of the tow bar?
Yeah.
Alright.
As long as my tow bar fits, this tow bar's got.
If you want a tow bar, there you go. Anyway, we're going to put that on there. We're going to lift the engine off of that, pop out somewhere safe for the time being.
I'll be at home.
Get this wheeled out of the way. Didn't build that very well, did I? I need to reinforce that.
Did I drive it round?
Yeah, if you're careful. Charlie's going to take her for a little tour. We have strapped her down, you know, but we're not that slack. Ooh, what was that? Yeah, she alright. Put her in second if you want. Oh look, she's bouncing a little bit, look. You've got a bit of a wobble on. She's alright. Nice truck, mate. Where'd you get it?
It's got an 8-inch lift kit on it.
Oh, nice air freshener. So, yeah. Woohoo! There she is then, in all her glory. We won't worry about changing the front diff. It looks really bad, but Charlie left the ATF thing on its side. So yeah, looks a mess. It's all there. Charlie's going to wire brush it and needle scaler it all. He's started already, he's given it a little bit of a buzz over. So yeah, not bad, eh? 4-wheel drive chassis.
Breaker, you're bending my needle, this needle's well lazy.
We're over in mate.
Oh, that'll be why then.
Where are you boys?
Well, I'm in Salem, and the other one's on the way to Iceland, but he's not there yet.
Roger Dodger. We don't really hear a lot on it, to be honest with you.
Is the modulation on this?
It's quite quiet.
Just tell him we got it cranked right up and we can only just hear.
We've got it cranked right up and we can only just hear.
Okay, you ain't got one of them Discovery things or them, you got a 90 in you?
No, we wouldn't have a piece of turd like that. We got Rangers.
Oh dear. Quick store repair daily, Roger.
That's the one. We got 4 of them down here.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
And they all need fixing.
Oh, you come on here much then you don't, do you?
No, not really.
Alright, decent, but basically by 8 o'clock, she's a rolling chassis. Bye bye truck.